Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how I created this transition for revealing the original background on Scroll. So the inspiration for this is the Second Chance website, and when I first visited this page or this site, and on my very first scroll, as you can see here, um, it caught my attention and I was like, wow, that's nice. So then I tried to create something similar, and I created this one using CSS and plain JavaScript. And now that I was able to recreate that, I would like now to share my code to you, which is a simple and easy one. So let's start. Starting with the HTML, let's first add a div container, and inside this we will add the columns or the vertical bars that we will use to reveal the original or the background color. So I will use 4 columns and hit enter, and then I will also add the text, and I will use h1 tag for that. So that's what all we need for the HTML. Let's now move on to the styling. For the next minutes, I'll be adding the CSS to all the elements. So that's what we all need for the CSS. I will now move on to adding the script. So that's how it is done, and that ends this tutorial. If you have suggestions, I am very open for improvements, and leave your comments down below.